Hey guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. But today, as you can tell by the title, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do my makeup every day for college. This look doesn't take me long at all, especially because I do it all the time. But yeah, so if you guys want to see how I do my makeup really quick, like 10 minutes, you know, and just be slaying every day, for me, like we do the everyday slay, the natural slay, then please keep watching. I'm just gonna go in with what I normally do before my primer, which is I go in with this Pond's Clarins B3 dark spot correcting cream. And I just kind of like put it all over my face and like rub it in. And when I don't have primer, I use kind of this as my primer because I don't have anything else. So next what I'm gonna do is go in with my concealer, and literally my favorite concealer in the world this past like month or two has been the Tarte Shape Tape. I use shade light medium. So I'm going straight in to highlighting my face. So I put like 4 dots underneath my eyes, then down the bridge of my nose, the center of my forehead, my cupid's bow, my chin, and then we do a little concealer right here so we look snatched. I learned this trick from Arnell Armand. I look crazy, but anyways, you put like your foundation in all the areas where you don't have like your concealer right now, and I really like that trick. It's been working for me. But also in my foundation, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me in shade 322, and then I also like to go in with my Urban Decay Velvetizer. I feel like it just makes my foundation look like really flawless. I mix it all together, and then I kind of like dot it in those areas that I don't have concealer. And then what I like to do, I've been using recently, I used to love to use a beauty blender. Well, I go back and forth between brushes and beauty blenders, but I find that this is my favorite thing right now. I just started using them even though I got them for Christmas. So this is the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill brush. This is the JH03. This brush really blends out your makeup, so I really like this for applying like my foundation and my concealer. And after that, I go back in with concealer. I use my Fenty Beauty concealer in shade 280 this time, just to make sure that I do have like those bright under eyes, because blending it all together sometimes can make my whole face look one color, and that's not really what I want. I want the highlight to show at least like a little bit. So yeah, and to blend that out, I'm going to use my Morphe Beauty Sponge. Holy grail, amazing. Okay, and then for my eyes, so I didn't put any like foundation or concealer on them yet, so they look crazy. And you guys are probably gonna be like, what the heck, she uses like 3 concealers, but whatever. I like taking my NYX HD Studio Photogenic concealer, and I just put a little bit of it on my eyes, just as like a primer, and also to like cover up, you know, the veins and stuff, because I feel like, I don't know, I don't like the way it looks when I have like my whole face done and then that's just like not concealed. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with powder, and what I like to use is the Lancome powder. I don't know exactly what it's called. Oh, the Long Time No Shine. I love this one. I don't know, I've been using it a lot, as you can tell. I'm like legit out basically. Have to get a new one. But yeah, I like to just set my face with this, or set my like where I put my concealer. It's a really good powder. Keeps me matte throughout the day. So as for the rest of my face, I go back in with my Velvetizer from Urban Decay, and I just set the rest of my face. So I still leave the powder like under my eyes and anywhere else I put it, like right here, just because like, I don't know, I just want it to like really set, because throughout the day I can tend to be a little oily. So as you can tell, I am now a brows after powder girl. I used to hate that. I did not understand how people did that, but now it's just what I do. I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown, and then just this e.l.f. dual ended brush. I really like that brush. It's like a newer one. I think it's clear. Anyways, and yeah, I kind of just fill in my brows. I just go along with my brow shape. I'm not trying to make my brows any thicker, any thinner. That's why I tend to do it after now, because before I would like conceal them, and I still do sometimes, especially when they're not done, but right now they're done, so I'm doing it like after everything. It's just been a method that I like. I know, crazy, but yeah. So I'm just gonna fill them in. Okay, now that the brows are done, they're sisters, not twins, obviously. Now we're gonna contour. So I do 2 steps to my contour, I guess. So first I like to go in with a bronzer. I go in with this e.l.f. I believe it's a bronzer or pressed powder in Deep. So I use that first, and then I like to use this Eco Tools or Eco Styles brush. And I just go in. And then I like to use this color to kind of contour my nose. So I just pinch the brush and do it like so. Nose contour like isn't all that to me. Okay, so now for like the real contouring, I guess, just like a deeper shade, I go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Powder Kit in medium to tan. And I mix these 2 shades, whatever's left of this one and that one, because I use it a lot. I don't want to go in like too heavy, but I probably already did, so there we go, there's that. Then I just go in with like the powder brush and I kind of blend everything out. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to wipe away all of the excess powder I have on my face. So now we're gonna go in with highlight. I like to go in with this Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby Kilowatt highlighter. It's the mini one. This is amazing. Like, I just got it like a month ago, and this is what's left. Insane. Oh my god, I don't even have that much time left. Anyways, so I just go in with this brush. I don't know, it's just a fan brush. I hated fan brushes, but now they're my jam. So yeah, I just apply that right here. And I apply it to the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, my chin. And for some reason, I've always been obsessed with putting a little bit on my forehead. So it's just what I do. So now I'm gonna spray my face because I like to do that first before I apply like my mascara, eyeliner, whatever. So I'm just gonna use this e.l.f. makeup mist and set. And then, so now, this is kind of my favorite part of my everyday routine. So I like to go in with like this NYX Professional Makeup retractable eyeliner, and this is in white. I love putting this in my waterline. I don't know what I think it does. I just feel like it I don't know. I just feel like it brings my look together. So that's what I'm gonna do. I apply it like kind of halfway. I don't apply it to my whole waterline. I apply it like probably to like right here. You can see. So like right here. And then, yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do. I just feel like it just does it for me, you know? I like wipe some of the makeup off my lips and then go in with like my Burt's Bees, because that's what I've just been doing lately a little bit. Before I put on anything on my lips, even if I put on lipstick or not. So now I'm gonna go in with my mascara, and lately I've been using the Wet n Wild Lash Renegade mascara. I really like this one. I didn't think I would, but I do. It doesn't replace my holy grail, which is my Maybelline Lash Sensational, but I don't have any right now, so this will do. I love the way this white eyeliner looks. I don't know, I just feel like it puts everything together. Like, okay, so normally I either go in with just my Burt's Bees, some type of lip plumper, because we love, you know, plump lips, or like my go-to ombre lip. But today, I don't know, I don't really feel like doing like an ombre lip, so I'm gonna go back in again with some of my Burt's Bees. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of lip plumping high shine top coat. I ran out of my Too Faced one, so I'm gonna use this one. This one's really good though. Like, hello. I literally wear this to school, work. I love this look. Anyways, so yeah, this is a look completed. You know, oh, let me spray one more time. Hold on. So now this is the look completed. I don't know, I'm in love with it. You could probably still see the setting spray on my face. Setting into my face, but it's okay. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. I'm gonna read my verse of the day. And today, my verses of the day is gonna be from Psalms 3, and it's verses 5 and 6. So it's, I lay down and slept, yet I woke up in safety, for the Lord was watching over me. I am not afraid of 10,000 enemies who surround me on every side. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Positive vibes, you feel me? Like, this look is so cute to me. It's so basic, but it's so cute to me. And what I really think I love most about it is really the white eyeliner, and I don't know why, but yeah, I haven't filmed in so long. This is so weird, but I'm happy to kind of be back and doing it, figuring out my schedule, you know. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video and comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Follow me on all my social medias, you feel me? They're in the description down below. My Instagram and my Twitter is what I use most. So Instagram, Twitter, like, follow me, I follow you, like. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Addicted to you.